Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today, guys. I'm back. I wanted to first talk about WTM. Okay, as you guys know, I'm an affiliate for the company. One of the many affiliates for the company. And they have some great programs that they have. A few of them are flyer programs, and then they have the postcard programs. Okay, so I'm affiliated with a few of them. Let's talk about them. We're talking the Cow Postcard 100, the Tycoon, Profit Max Formula, and then Supreme Profit System. Okay, so what comes in your kit typically? I'm just going to show you a few of I'll show you the Tycoon and Supreme. They're pretty much standard. They always give you something, some type of product with the welcome kit. Now, before we do that, just an FYI, most of the time you get your kit first, okay, and then if it includes postcards, they'll come later, guys, because they have to be ordered. You have to think about it. You have to get postcards printed up. So what typically happens is you'll see your kit come in the mail, and then you'll see maybe a week later or week and a half later, the postcards will come if that's what's going to be provided in that particular program. But let's just take a look at one of their sites. Let's look at the Cash Cow. What's included in the Cash Cow? Okay, so it says here the product. Okay, right here on the card, you're going to receive 100 full color postcards. Okay, 64 ways to increase mail order profits, a mailing list directory, okay, and of course your order form, okay. So your product, you're going to get 100 postcards and 64 ways to increase the mail order profits business, okay. That's the Cash Cow. Now let's jump over to the Tycoon. Okay, so I'm on my website for the Tycoon. Let's go down. Okay, of course you know you get the 250 postcards and 250 leads. Okay, that's included, but we're going to go down here and let's see what's included. Our product package is the WTM Dual Business CD-ROM, Mail Order Black Belt Success Manual, 101 Ways to Improve Direct Mail Response, Mailing List Resources Directory, Dealer's Rights, Access to Print and Mail Service, and a free voicemail service. Okay, so that is the product package, and then of course you know you get what they actually specify. Okay, so there's a glitch here. Okay, so that shows that. Now let's go over to the Supreme Profit System. Check it out. Okay, you get a website with that, but let's go down. Let's look at, with this one you're going to get your 1,000 postcards. You're going to get a website, and you qualify for the 5 for Life bonus after every 5th sale. So let's go take a look. I'm just strolling through. Okay, here we are. Let's move this out the way. Okay, the following products needed by all home business individuals. So you get the WTM Ultimate Mail Order CD-ROM, Mail Order Black Belt Success Manual, 101 Ways to Improve Direct Mail Response, Quality Mailing List Directory, Access to the Print and Mail Service, Personalized Marketing postcard and flyer, optional flyer for those who prefer to mail flyers or postcards. I like the postcards for this program. The free marketing website is set up for you. It does the selling and closing for you. You get the 1,000 free full color postcards with this one, and the automatic enrollment into our power packs. So there is a product with it. Okay, typically across the board it looks like you get the WTM Ultimate Mail Order CD-ROM and the Black Belt Success Manual and ways to improve your direct mail business. Okay, so that's how that works. But just want to talk to you guys about that really quickly. I'm going to show you the postcards here, a few that I have on hand. We've got the Tycoon that pays $300 per sale. Okay. That comes with a website. It comes with 250 postcards and 250 leads. You get the 5 for Life. Okay, after every 5th sale, the company is going to mail you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay, that one is a $300 money order, and a $198 money order. Okay, that's for the Tycoon. Okay, so you would send that in. Then we have the Cash Cow that's been very popular here lately. It's only $300 to get in this program. It has 2 tiers. It pays $100 per sale. You get 100 postcards with it. And of course the kit, which I just showed you over here. Okay, and it shows you right here what you get. You get the cards, you get the mail order profits, 64 ways to increase your mail order business. Okay, and this one is very popular. This one's lit, guys. It is popping. Okay, I've signed up lots of people for this program. Okay, again, this one's only $300 to get in. Full color postcard, 4x6, just like the Tycoon. They're standard 4x6. Okay, so great programs. And I recently I didn't add it. I haven't talked about it. You just haven't seen me talk about it. But we've got the $1,000 postcard, 1,000 per sale, on 2 tiers. Let me pull up the website for it. Okay, Supreme Profit System. This is the postcard. Okay, and then check out the back of it, 4x6. Okay, so you get your website just like the Tycoon gives you a website. This one also gives you a website. Supreme Profit System has your name and number on it. You qualify for the 500 pack, the power pack. After every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 stamps, 500 postcards, and 500 leads after every 5th sale. And the way this program work, well, all of them work, is you have to mail one order in the name of the person referred you, and then a money order in the company name. If there's 2 tiers, you're going to mail also one to the sponsor. But it will tell you and specify that either on the website or the postcard. Okay, very simple. It's nothing complicated. Not a whole bunch of hoopla about the comp plan, a bunch of matrix and all these different things. It's straightforward. You're going to make $1,000 per sale with the Supreme Profit. If somebody signs up with you, you make $1,000. Your sponsor make $1,000. Okay, then you send in $350 to the company. This is on the card. Okay, on the website. And there's an order form here at the bottom. So go all the way to the bottom, and you'll see the order form. So the 2 tiers, guys, is where the leverage is. This is where you really make money, because if you sign someone up, right, you make $1,000, and then your name goes on their card, and they mail out their card. If they make $1,000, you make $1,000. Okay, so this is very powerful. People have been asking me about a $1,000 level postcard, and here it is. Okay, same company. You can listen to this number, 720-721-4140. You can go check it out. But awesome. So just wanted to show you guys that you actually get some type of physical product with WTM's programs. Okay, and with that being said, I want to show you guys some more commissions have come in. So I want to get to that. Okay, 3 more envelopes. I have no idea what's in all of them. Okay, this is WTM, so I'm not sure what's in it, but let's go check it out. Real quick, before we do that, guys, I want to show you, I forgot about the Profit Max formula. This is the postcard program by WTM that pays $500 per sale. Now this one is the bigger jumbo postcard. It's 8.5 by 5.5. Okay, so this one's going to cost you 55 cents per card to mail because it's bigger. Okay, so this one's 500. You make 500 per sale. This one you would mail in 2 money orders. A $500 money order in my name if you join me, and then you would send $195 into the company. This one does not have a website, okay? But what it does with this one is you qualify for the 5 for life as well with this one. After every 5th sale, the company's going to mail you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps, okay? With this one. So you would get 2 money orders. Again, for all these programs, I highly recommend you mail them priority so that you can track your packages and make sure they get there to the destination. And as it states right here, here's the product: WTM's Ultimate Mail Order CD-ROM, mailing list, sources directory, and you get your personalized postcard. So that's what you get. Okay, so it doesn't come with anything. Now, all these programs, let me mention that I will give you leads to get you started. This program doesn't come with leads or any of that. Okay, this one's the 500 per sale. I'm going to give you 500 leads to join me in this one. The Cash Cow, I'm giving you 200 leads. The Tycoon, I'm giving you 400. The Supreme Profit system, I'm going to give you 1,000 leads. Okay, so I'm going to help you guys get going with the programs. Okay, even if it comes with leads, like the Tycoon comes with 250 leads, 250 cards, I'm still going to give you the 400 leads. Okay, so just wanted to bring that up because I forgot to show you the card. So that's one side. Let me show you the other side of it. Okay, here's the other side of the Profit Max card. Okay, it's a nice card. You can see this one has the red background. Okay, they all come with a 24/7 message. They're all different, so you can go check them out. This one I would have to email to you. Again, doesn't have a website, and I haven't set up a link for it. So if you're interested in the Profit Max formula, making $500 per sale, reach out to me with your full name and your email address, and I'll email it right over to you. Okay, now with that being said, let's get to these 3 envelopes we have. Let's see what's in these. These are commissions, okay, that I've received for referring people to the programs because I'm an affiliate. So let's check it out. All right, so we got these 3. So I've got my handy dandy scissors. Let's see what we've got. Alright, so let's go. We got 3 here. I'm just going to pick one and let's start. Okay, it says WTM on there. Okay, so let's check it out here. They mail your commissions as soon as they come in, guys, so you don't have to worry about them being held up. Okay, here's one. See what we got here. Cash Cow. Person named Natalie Johnson. Thank you so much, Natalie. I'm going to cover this up, guys, so I don't display anybody's information. But you'll see here, this is what we're going to do. So we don't, okay, Cash Cow. Natalie. See that? Okay, so that's the Cash Cow. We got another one. Let's open this one up. Alright, see what's next. The Cash Cow is lit. I'm telling you now. Another Cash Cow. Robert. Now, this one came from the second tier. I know that because we had a conversation about it. One of my teammates, Sam, signed Robert up. So this is a second tier. This is not mine. This is a default by my teammate. So congratulations, Sam, on your first sale. There it is. See that? Okay. So we had that conversation. So congratulations. So my team is making money, guys. It's not just me. Sam had a sale, and Josh had a sale already. Josh has only been in the program less than, 2 weeks now. Okay. So that's the second tier. That's how the second tier pays off. Okay. Voila. Cash Cow. Let's see. Let's see. This is, well, actually, there's 2 payments in here. Okay. Yeah, there's 2 payments, it looks like. Actually, so I want to cover these up. I'm going to show you one at a time. You see, there's 2 checks, but I'm going to, money orders. But I'm going to cover them up because I don't want to show people's information. So what we're going to do, okay, so it looks like, yeah, Joseph is Josh's sale, okay, and it has on here, and then there's a Brittany. So this is what we'll do. We got Josh and Brittany. I'm gonna do one at a time because it's kind of hard to let me fold this up. Okay. I don't want to show these people's information. Okay, if you look here, you'll see a Josh on one side. He has this cash cow form. He tells you up here who signed up. And it says right here. See, there's a Josh and a Brittany. Okay, Josh was signed up by, Joseph was signed up by Josh Garner. He recently got in the program. And Brittany is one of my own sales. And here's another money order. So let me cover that up. This is the one from Joseph because that's his name right there. Okay, that one's from Joseph. Okay, welcome aboard, guys. And then we'll show you, this one's from Brittany. Okay, this is the one I just showed you, but two different money orders, and he just put them all in the same envelope. So I've got the 1, 2, okay. Here's the third one. Okay. 4 money orders. Okay, 4 different money orders. That's $400 from the cash cow. Now you've been seeing me. I'm going to hide this person's information. Okay, 4 different money orders, guys. Okay, right there with the cash cow. Now you've seen me before show you other proof payments. So the cash cow is rocking. And you get this little sheet that will come with it whenever someone signs up, because WTM has other programs, like I've received the Tycoon, the cash cow, the Supreme Profit system. So it will say on the sheet which program. If you're in different ones like me, you'll get a form so you'll know. Okay, so this thing actually works. Okay, so I can't say it enough how postcard marketing works. It actually does, because you get targeted leads, guys. These are names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. You mail your postcard to these folks, okay? And if they're interested, they will sign up. They'll send their payment in. It goes to the company, and then the company is going to forward it to you because it's going to be in your name. So you're not going to have a problem with payments, okay? Your commissions will be in your name. Like each one of these money orders is in my name, okay? And then they just forward it to me, okay? So these programs definitely work. So you just decide, do you want to make $100 commissions, $300 commissions, $500 commissions, or even the $1,000 commissions, okay? These things work. And by the way, I do have another $1,000 commission coming for the Supreme Profit system. Okay, so you definitely want to check this out if you're interested in high ticket. I have the $500 and the $1,000 postcard. Okay, again, the $500 per sale postcard is the jumbo. It's an 8.5 by 5.5, so it's going to cost you 55 cents per postcard to mail versus the 46 cents. But you're going to be making $500 per sale with that. Okay, so you decide, guys. So, with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you guys. Okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'm very accessible. I pretty much work from my phone, okay, more than my laptop, to be honest with you. So I am readily available to answer any questions you may have. But just know, when you join, be committed to this, okay? This is not a hobby for me, okay? I am very committed to all the programs that I'm affiliated with. And so that's what you're going to need to be to succeed as well. Don't worry about, well, how long is it going to take to get my first sale and all that stuff. Your job is just to focus on being consistent with your mailings, okay? And then the commissions will come. But it's going to take consistency and commitment. Okay, so with that being said, that's all I've got for you guys today. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Look forward to working with you. Be safe out there. You guys have a blessed day. See you on the next video.